Hi, I'm Carrie, and today we're going to talk about Common Sense Remodeling. As you start out on your journey, when you're trying to start thinking about a remodel or a renovation or an addition to your home or a new build home, it's really about coordinating all the different wants you have in your head and quantifying them and finding the right partner to do that with. A lot of people, when they start out thinking about a renovation project, they think about all the materials and suppliers and managing all the different aspects of different contractors and how do I manage all of that and my life at the same time. Working with a company that has a single source of responsibility that can coordinate all of that for you is why the design process is the best way to go with advanced design. Here at Advanced Design, we work for you. You are the one that are going to come in and tell us what you want. And guess what? You might have a partner in your home that doesn't have the same opinion as you. I'm part-time marriage counselor in what I do, but that's just part of being a good designer, is making everyone be able to get a piece of what they want reflected in their home. One of the biggest fears in remodeling is having a project where the budget gets out of control. We control the budget before the project starts. We give you the power to be in control of your investment. And how we do that is through a line-itemed financial analysis. We line item all the materials, we line item all the labor for you. Not many people do that in our industry, but that really puts you in charge of your investment and how you want to flex your funds in order to get the project of your dreams. One of the make or breaks of a successful project is communication. Project communication is the key to a successful project. We know that. We've learned that from being in the field and in this industry for a really long time. We provide a lot of resources for communication. Not only do we well document our design, but we provide production software, which you have a login for, called BuilderTrend, and it's a life changer. Documenting all those details and being able to communicate throughout the process, whether you have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning, so you can't have the guys get there until 10 o'clock. Those little things, those timely messages, whether we run into an issue on the job, we find something in the wall that we didn't anticipate finding. It's about communicating and reacting and moving forward in a quick process so that we can move on to the next thing. Having software like BuilderTrend be there and be that streamline of communication that provides timely turnaround and timely documentation of everything we do is a huge resource for us. You've been dreaming about this remodeling project for years, picking your finishes, locating the perfect tile. Everyone focuses on those things, and it's easy to get wrapped up in all those details, and that's the fun part. That's one of the reasons why I do what I do. But I will tell you that choosing the partner to make all those finishes a reality in your home is the most important decision that you will make. If you're planning on investing in a home remodel and you're looking for a high level of service and attention to detail, Advanced Design Studio's Common Sense Remodeling is right for you.